Guys, finally the sun's out and we got a table here by the beach for breakfast. Right, Ka? Hey? Hey! Hindi na cloudy, yay! Ang dalawa. Ayan, dyan sila. Ayan, Riker is having cereal na naman, tsaka chocolate pancake, and then meron siyang ube pandesal. Harley's having apple, cereal, yung pala. Si daddy niya yung kumukuha sa kanya. So me, with that beer, having of course my lugaw, my konting pancit gisado, and 2 squares ng egg omelette na may corned beef and cheese roll. Kain, ang sarap.
I want some more cereal.
Oh yeah?
I want more cereal.
Yeah.
I want more
Mamaya na ako.
cereal. Good morning, dog.
Rocco, you gotta eat. You're not gonna get lunch today.
Ay, sus, ang ganda-ganda naman. Mwah. Love you. Ayaw niyang kainin yung ube pandesal niya. Ako na lang kumain. Kapit tayo, guys. Yung dagat dito, since yesterday, masiwid nga lang siya. You know, as you can see, oh, medyo green talaga. So, kahapon, kaya punta kami dun sa station, sa Mother Mary, sa Station 1. Mas malinis. And today, we're going to Puka Beach.
Never been there for a very long time, Niall.
Yeah. So, hopefully, mas malinis doon. Go to Puka. And then, maybe check out Diniwid too. Ha? No? The Diniwid.
I would love to, babe.
Is that where the other resort is? The new one? The Aqua? Boracay? Right?
Let me put it into the Google Maps.
Ayan, we're up to Puka Beach. Ayan, dito na kami sa Puka Beach, guys. Wala na yung kabanas pala nila dito, oh. Riker, what happened to your eyes again? Oh, ano na naman yung eyes niya. Okay, go to tita. But look at that, much clearer yung kanilang ano dito, water, walang seaweed. Diba? Si Harley. Hindi ko nadala yung camera ko. Ang clear! It's so nice. Doon kasi ang ano eh. Harley!
Aka, do you like this beach?
It's clear, yeah, the water. It's busy. Pero may mga restaurant din naman sila dito. So you can order drinks and food.
So they'll deliver to
They
us.
deliver it to our bani.
Just for that.
Yeah,
And look at the shade. Did you show them the shade?
yeah. It's good.
Somebody there till probably.
Yeah. Ang cute ni Riker. Super swim lang siya. Si Ai, mamaya pa yan eh. Palagi yung ganyan. Nag-warm up pa yan. Magaling si Riker, guys. Ayan, ang dami ng monkey dito, guys. Pinapakain kasi nila eh. Binigyan nila ng saging. Oh. Ang sarap na ng kain niya, oh. Diyos ko. Nabalatan niya kaagad. Ito na isa.
Itlog? Itlog niya. Ano yun? May tali, anak. Tali yata may. Ah, bakit may tali?
Nandito sila banda, guys. Ang layo na nila sa amin. Nag-order na ako ng food ng mga kids kasi mag-aalas 12 na. Ay. Huh? Go call her. I think she'll follow.
Go, Riker.
Di ba? Nag-ice cream na. Nataubos na. Yum! Ayan, kain tayo banana Q. Sarap. Pabalik na kami ng station 2, guys. Ayan, dito na kami sa sky pool nila sa hotel, guys. The kids there swimming. Ayan si ate. Buti nakakuha kami ng sunbed. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kalumot na, oh. See? Green na siya. So, parang wala na masyadong naliligo. Now,
Catch it if you can. Oh, yeah.
Ba, are you a shark? What's that sound? Yung butt crack ni Riker. Diba? Ngayon talaga tayo masusunod. Pero okay lang yan. It's nice. Baby! Magkataan kami ni Harley. Riker! First Riker. Look at the beach there. Baby! Nasalaglag ko yung phone mo. Riker, kumalaw ka naman. You're not allowed to do that.
What's that?
You're not allowed to do that, really. Look at the sunset, you guys. We're off to dinner. Now we're going this way. We'll go Korean. Baho? Oh. The sunset, kuya, oh. I think it's this way, malap. Dito pa loob yung kanilang Korean restaurant. Ang cute, oh. Alice is so close to us. Ito, Wukong Korean barbecue with hot pot. Yan, dito na kami. Korean barbecue tayo, guys. And then yung meat. Try it. Sige.
Hindi ko rin nasabi niya. Sige, talaga.
Thank you. Ayan. Yan yung sa amin nila, ate. Salamat. Yes. Thank you. Ayan yan. Hindi na kami nag-order ng shabu-shabu. Hindi naman namin kailangan ng soup this time. Si Harley na gustuhan niya yung japje, oh. We're gonna watch a fire dance here sa Uptown. Reka, look! Reka! You're gonna watch my love.
A display of skill and passion that will make this night unforgettable.
Look the fire,
So grab your cameras, settle in, and prepare to be amazed.
Live your life within the moment.
Si Harley nandun na.
And don't go waiting till the
Riker.
morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older.
Riker, how are you gonna do it?
So let us dance this
Wow!
Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner.
Tingnan niyo yung tatlo, guys, so, sa breakfast. Paren? Tingnan niyo si Kuya. Sarap ng kain, no? Pero usog. Tapos na siya sa pancake. Ano naman siya? Kanin. Pero meron siyang nakaabang dyan na cereal. Punong-puno. Tsaka champurado. Para siyang mandirigma mamaya. Mandirigma last meal ba yan? Ayan, kape tayo, guys. Nag-order ako ng cappuccino this time kasi hindi ko na uubos yung brood eh. Ha? Try ko to. May extra bayad lang ngayon. Ayan, si Riker pala nasa kwarto nila ate. Ito yung niregalo sa kanya ni Ninang mugs niya. Wow! What else? What color next? Yung parang ano, glitter. Kaso nga lang, wala kaming tray. So, mix-mix na yung mga... What color?
What color? Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Up to lunch. Ano sila? Just ni Penelope Jollibee eh. Maaraw na naman today. And much clearer yung ano dyan, dagat dyan. Dito sa station 2. Kahapon kasi daming seaweed eh, no? Ayan na. Hapon na pala, guys. Hindi kami naligo today. Hindi naman si ate. Nakapanty na. Nakapanty na dito sa swimming pool. Gusto niya maligo. Ano na siya?
Ma, hindi na plan dito.
Si Mat. Hindi kasi daw siya dahil pinaligo today. Oh, magpapanty na lang ako dito sa pool. Hindi kami nagsiligo today. Nag-relax lang kami. Chill lang kami, guys. Kasi sunog kami kahapon. I mean, ako lang, taxi Ben. Ayun, si Riker nandyan. And mag-dinner na naman kami. Anong oras na mag-alas 5 na natin? Yeah. Mag-alas 5 na kasi. Look at the sunset, you guys. Ayan, dito pala kami sa Jerry's Grill nag-dinner, guys. So, meron kaming sizzling gambas. Oh, yum! And caldereta. And crispy pata. Oh, no, you like this one? Oh, wow! Oh. Iklihin mo kasi. Iklihin mo. Fire dancer daw siya. Fire dancer daw kasi siya. Si ate natatawa lang. Natatawa lang siya sa kapatid niya. Go! Go, Raika!
It's all like this. See here. Ready?
Okay, ready and go! Fire dancer. Oh.
Yung mukha mo. Galing.
Oh, wow! You're a good fire dancer. Oh, wow. You're a good fire dancer, guys. You're not too close. Ay! Go, Raika. Oh, go, Raika. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! May real fire dancer dun, guys. Go, Raika!
Live your life within the moment. And don't go waiting till the moment.
Go, Raika!
You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers.
Good morning! Dito na pala kami sa beach, guys. Hindi ko na vlog kaninang breakfast. Wala na masyadong gaanong lumot dito sa station 2 sa harap ng pinag-i-stayan namin. So, dito ka muna kami today. Pero baka mamaya punta kami sa station 1. And then, hinar ko sila ng paddleboard. Si Riker and daddy niya. Harley is here, guys. Si Kuya. Oh, yung dalawa, guys. Ngayon na, nagsawa na si Kuya. Ang low tide kasi. Kuya, relax lang doon. Binili niya ang bola ni daddy niya. Si daddy niya and si Harley nandun sa dagat. Ang cute nila. Ayan, kain tayo ng turon niyo guys. Ha? Wala lang langkato. Sobrang init today, buti lang. Meron ng ano, cloud. Right ka? Ayaw niya ng turon. Na-sunburn na ako isang araw. Ang sarap. Tamang kanta lang siya. Ano mo? Tamang kanta lang si Riker. The sunset. Ayan, dinner na kami guys. What happened? Dinner. Oh, wow. Pa-dessert na si Madam. Si Riker, na natulog na. Na-miss na naman niya ang dessert. Yum. Anong flavor sa'yo, ate? Strawberry. Kuya, chocolate sundae. Taro. Ang sarap ng taro. Sarap. May pasods pa si Kuya pa. Dito kami sa Diniwid Beach. Ang cute ang baiters ni Harley. Yung nabili ko yan sa market mo. Tignan natin. Kung maganda ba dito. Ngayon lang kami nakapunta dito eh. Welcome to Diniwid. Kasi yung Puka yung pinaka-popular eh. Lots of boats. Oh, there it's clear too, babe. Right? It's clear. Nice. Huh? There is a hotel here. Oh, it says Microtel. Mas tahimik dito you guys, so, pero ang clear ng tubig. Ayan, tahimik lang. And wala nag-a-assist sa banig eh, so yung towel na lang namin yung nilagay namin. Si Harley, ayan na oh.
Harley, you look sleepy, Harley.
She looks relaxed, yeah?
Yeah, very relaxed.
Tingnan niyo yung legs namin, oh. Kakulay pa rin naman. Mas maitim lang ng konti na yung kanya. Then look, the crimson one has a soccer. Remember, he was so good at the soccer.
Patirain mo siya. Patirain mo, anak. You gonna catch the ball? Oh, you come here. You gonna play?
Ayan, lakad tayo around there. Tignan natin kung anong meron doon. Habang nagsiswimming yung mga bata. Ang daming boat dito yung. Ayan. Yeah, mabato-bato nga dito. Pero may walkway. Ang cute. Ah, dyan. Yeah.
Para siling ma'am, helmet diving.
Yeah. Magkano?
1.5 lang ma'am. Goods po.
Ano yan? Saya. Sige, be. Ayan, nice, be. Wow. Ang ganda. Buti pumunta tayo dito. Oh. Ang ganda nga nga, guys. May picturean pala dun. Dito na kami sa Station 1, guys. Ang cute-cute nila. cute nila. Andito lang yung boat. Yun lang yung sakayan nila eh. Tapos yung Mama Mary nandun lang.
What are you doing?
Guys, Hallie's doing her hair again. Because we're leaving tomorrow. Okay? Rika, are you gonna do your hair too? No? Si Ate P din. Para, Boracay. No, good na kuya. Yeah. Ganda ni Ate P, oh. Morena Beauty. Si Ali, nangitim na rin siya eh. Uy, ang punas pa rin. So pretty. Meanwhile, yung dalawa. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
You stand up.
Tapos na. Pa-picture na tayo. Si ate.
You need to.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
Ayan, ang ganda ng kuha namin kanina. Yeah, mamaya, dito kami pala sa mesa natin. For our last night. Kasi meron din sila dito. Car dance, tsaka live band. 7 o 8 tayo. 8 tayo. Pero inahati ko lang yung ano eh. Okay. Inahati ko lang yung price ni ano. 7 lang yung in-order kong rice. Here's the food, you guys. Oh, yum! May scallops. Meron pa kami, marami pang ulam. Ayan yung braised beef. Yeah. Again, meron pa kaming Bicol Express, yung pancit nga, sinigang. Sinigang sa hip, ano ba yan? Belly. Salmon, yeah. And tilapia. Tapos meron pa kaming chicken yata darating. Yeah. Sarap na. Sinigang sa salmon.
Chicken na bumuna.
Yeah, garlic chicken. Sa chicken na lang yung kulang na. Thank you po. Chicken na lang, garlic chicken. Yeah. That comes with this platter. Abro the garlic chicken. Separate the garlic chicken. Hindi ako rin ng chicken. Ha? Garlic chicken. Ikaw? Abro. Try the...
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Ayaw sumayaw ni ate. hotel.
I want
Tinignan lang
it.
namin ang ganda ng hotel na to. So, nag-dessert na rin kami dito. Ang cute ng cakes.
Hindi mo naman ako.
Happy birthday, Riker!